As part of the general project of making the work of the Supreme Court more understandable, more accessible to the public, this is the third time we've sat outside Dublin, allowing cameras in to film judgments so that the public who are interested can find out more about what we do and why we do it.
This is a huge thing to happen in the Aula Maxima, you know, to see the Supreme Court judges sitting and hearing a case.
I think it's really breathtaking in a way. I mean, it's not something that you see every day. You know, it really makes the college special for me and for a lot of students here.
Today is a very significant day in that the Supreme Court, for the first time, is launching its annual report. And as one of the co-editors of that report, it was good to see that I was putting to use the tools that were given to me in my undergraduate and postgraduate degrees here at NUI Galway.
Students will be very familiar with the work of the Supreme Court at an academic level, but having the Supreme Court on campus here this week has been really fantastic in that it has brought that into reality for the students.
What's important from our point of view in terms of the seminars is to engage with students. I think that's a two-way process. I think it's useful for us to hear the views or the questions that students may have to ask. We found that a particularly valuable part of the programme, and it's why we're particularly happy to actually be sitting in a university as opposed to a court.
The fact that they're so generous with their time and willing to give us presentations and talks on a Friday, modules that link to what we're studying here, it's all very interesting and exciting.